Welcome to Third Bracket. Today I will show you how to push your project or folder from the VS Code to the Github repository. And here I'm in the folder and I want to open that in my VS Code from the Git bash here. And I will type code space dot and my VS Code will open, and I'm trusting the authors. It's my project. And in the extension section, you type code spaces because you have to install that extension, code spaces, and install that extension GitHub code spaces and make sure that it is installed and it is enabled. And then go to the folder, project folder, and you have to connect to code space right here. So when you will connect to code space, then it will trigger a repository that you want to, where you want to push your project, and it's totally depend on the available repository from your GitHub. I assume that you already connected your GitHub to your VS Code, and it's taking some time. And let's check the repository of my project here and the index file, and here I will update the header, and here is header in the comment section, and this is the updated file right now. And I will commit that index.html file to my repository, and I'm just doing a check to commit, check, and then do sync changes. And now you will see the updated file after refreshing the file. Yeah, you can see the updated file, and updated is right now. So here it is. You are done. Please do like my video and subscribe my channel, and have a good day.